Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this 2009 Nissan Sentra. This is the 2.0 liter engine, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing this PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve. The one that's on this engine is the original at 98,000 miles, so I figured since this part is cheap, it's perfect time to do this. You should change this part every 30 to 50,000 miles depending on how old your engine is, I guess. So it's super easy. All we got to do is take this cover off. Then you'll need a 23mm socket to remove this. It's a 5-minute job that the dealership would charge you probably about $100 honestly, and this cost me 18 bucks. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two bolts over here. You need a 10mm socket. Next, what you're gonna do is grab here and here and pop up. Next, we're going to locate where your PCV valve is. On this engine, it is located right here. And so you'll need a pair of pliers to loosen up the hose clamp and move it up so we can disconnect the hose. All you got to do is push up. And if it's going to be hard like this one, just turn it counterclockwise and clockwise until it breaks loose. And then just pull, give it a good tug, and it comes off. Now we're going to grab a 23mm socket. And just like that, we have removed the old PCV valve. One of the easiest way to test if the PCV valve is still good is to give it a shake. And if it rattles, that means it's still good. If there's no rattling going on, then your PCV valve has gone bad and will definitely be replaced. So hope you can hear this. So it barely rattles. Now let me show you what the new valve sounds like. Here is the new valve that will be going in. Again, here's the old valve. So it barely rattles. I think this is still good. You could wash this with probably, I don't know, soak it in gasoline for about a couple of hours and then clean it. Come back and clean it good. But because it's fairly inexpensive, it's only $18. Some of them are actually cheaper than this, maybe $5. Why not go ahead and replace it? So this new PCV valve already has a gasket. The new one has a gasket, so there's no need to take this off and put this on. Here is the valve. You can get this at your local dealership or online, which is easier, I guess, cheaper, not easier. But there's the part number. I will make sure to leave this in the description, what the part number is. Let's go ahead and put the new one. Super easy. Make sure you don't over tight this. This is plastic and you could mess up the threads very easy on this one, and possibly the cam cover as well, because there looks like it's plastic or whatever that material is, but it doesn't need to be very tight. I hand tighten it, as you can see it. So now we're gonna go ahead and put everything back in place. And so what we're gonna do is put the hose back first, and all you got to do now is press down on this. It's in place. Now grab your pliers and put the hose clamp back where it was. So now what we're gonna do is put the engine cover back, and it goes in the reverse order that you took them off. So you got these two little, whatever these are called, that you got to put them back in here and here. So start by doing that. Give it a tap, and there you have it. Then put the 10mm bolts back in, and you're done. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions about this process or any questions in general, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure and answer every question. So as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.